News that's coming in from the state of West Bengal. It's the governor who visited Das family in Murshidabad. The father-son duo were killed in the riots that took place on the 11th of April. Governor has promised the family that action will be taken against all those who were indulging in these riots. Will ensure victims get justice and even get the right to live peacefully. Heard the audio of the people in Murshidabad. Images that you are seeing on your screens are of the governor of the state of West Bengal, C.V. Ananda Bose. He is the person who has been visiting various districts in the state of West Bengal. He has now met the Das family. Father-son duo were killed in the riots that took place on the 11th of April. Governor has promised action will be taken against those who are indulging in riots. Will ensure victims get justice and peace. Let's listen into what the governor said after he met with the victims of the riots.
Demands or whatever suggestions given by them. All this will be considered. I will take it up with the government of India and the state government for appropriate action. They said we want justice. They will get justice. We want peace. They will have peace. Certainly we will do everything that is possible to give them a sense of security. So all their complaints I have listened to. I will analyze it. We have all our sympathetic understanding of what they want. We will do all our best to see that they get justice.
That was the governor of the state of West Bengal, C.V. Ananda Bose, very clearly saying that we have listened to everyone. People came from different villages to speak with me. I have taken a note of all the complaints. We have assured them justice will prevail, and we have also told them that peace will prevail and they will get a chance to stay peacefully in the state of West Bengal. This is a promise that the governor of the state of West Bengal, C.V. Ananda Bose, has made with all the people who came to meet him. Victims have been crying foul and they are alleging that the administration was sleeping when various districts were burning. Some of the victims have said that they were calling the police consistently, but no one picked up the calls for at least 4 hours. The governor also said that the government will ensure victims get justice and get peace. There was sloganeering that took place, and a lot of women from different villages, from the adjoining villages, came to speak with the governor, to tell the governor what exactly has happened in their district over the past 4 days. My colleague Suryagini is now joining me on the story. Suryagini, we just heard the governor, C.V. Ananda Bose. He spoke about the fact that he's made a promise that justice will be delivered and also has said that peace will be restored, not just in Murshidabad, but in the entire state of West Bengal.
Well, Aishwarya, we'll show you visuals live from this village. Women are sitting over here, they're protesting. They claim that they want to meet the governor, but they haven't been able to meet the governor. And that's the reason why they are protesting over here. A part of the governor's convoy has been blocked. There's a huge deployment of the central forces, BSF, and also the state police as well. We'll ask them.
রাষ্ট্রপতি আমরা শাসন চাই, আমরা জানেন বেস ক্যাম্প চাই, রাজ্যপালকে দেখাবো তো, রাজ্যপালকে দেখবো, হ্যাঁ না দেখা হয়নি তো দেখবো।
রাজ্য পুলিশকে আমরা রাজ্যপালকে চাই, রাজ্যপাল জানে আমাদের এখানে এসে তাদের জানে শাস্তি চাই। আমরা তাদের
রাজ্যপাল যখন গেলেন তখন দেখা হয়
না, আমাদের সাথে দেখা করায়নি, রাজ্যপালকে থানার পুলিশে পাস করে দিয়েছে, তাড়িয়ে দিয়েছে।
আপনারা কি এখানে বিএসএফ ক্যাম্প চাই?
হ্যাঁ বিএসএফ ক্যাম্প, হ্যাঁ বিএসএফ ক্যাম্প।
So we heard them, Aishwarya, that what they want is they wanted to meet the governor, but the governor and what we have come to know, and we'll show you visuals. These are the cars of the governor. Even they are blocked. And what we have come to know from our sources is that the governor he's been informed about this situation, and even he's keen to meet these people over here. And, the governor is likely to come back and meet these people to, restore normalcy in this particular position. Back to you.
Right, Suryagini, we just, what we are also seeing, the women are coming out in large numbers, Suryagini. Even in front of the NCW chief, the women were speaking with her. A lot of them were even crying. Similar scenes played out in front of the governor as well. The women are one of the worst victims, and they are coming out and telling and narrating their ordeal of what they have been going through, at least over the past 10 days.
Well, yes, we have seen multiple women even here. Women are the ones who are protesting, who are sitting on the road. They are the ones who want to meet the governor. And as I mentioned, the governor is likely to come and meet them. Their demand is simple. They want to meet the governor. They want to speak to the governor. And that is something that they are waiting for. Over here, we can see many women. They have placards in their hand that we want permanent BSF over here in this particular, village, permanent BSF camps. They claim that they don't really have much faith in the state police over here, and they want BSF camp, and this is something that they want to tell the governor. And as I mentioned, as per sources, the governor is coming back. He will be meeting them over here. They claim that unless the governor meets them, they will be sitting over here on the road. Back to you.
Thank you, Suragini.